So in this question, we have 3 coin tossed. So what is the sample space? So sample space could be denoted as S. So if we take all H and one H changing, now we will have 2H, 2T. And all T. So we can have 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is one, I think one is missing. 2T. 1, 2, 3. So there could be two possible 8. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 possibility. Question 2. Selection of 2 children from a group of 3 boys and 2 girls. So if we take the set of B is B1, B2, B3 and G is G1, G2. So the given sample could be 2 children. So if there is out of these 3, we will select two boys. So it will be B1, B2. It could be B1, B3. It could be. It is 3C2, which is 3. So it will be B2, B3. Now, if we are taking from girls, it will be G1, G2, G1, G3, G1, G2. Now, if you are taking one boy and one girl, it is B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1, B2, G2, and again B3, G1, B3, G2. So these are the samples. It is 3C1, it is 3C2 plus 2C2 plus 3C1, 2C1. So this is the solution.